Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone of any phones which is working under the pure Android NOUGAT. That means there will be no other phone UIs comes along with these systems so that you can have your own customization. So to change the ringtone, what you have to do is just follow my steps. This will be super easy and I assure you this will 100% work. Let's follow. First open settings. Search for phone ringtones. Here it is. Select this. Again select phone ringtone. I have two SIMs, Geo 4 GBS and mobile. Look, this is Lenovo K8 Note and they provided only these ringtones, and I can change to other ringtones and there will be no other options same as here. So what you have to do is go to file manager, whatever you are using. Lenovo provided me this one. Just open this internal memory and create new folder known as ringtones. Spelling will be surely as like this. I have used small letter R instead of capital letter R and it doesn't work, and after ringtone yes I won't use and it don't work, so this will be clearly as like this. Okay, I just created. So now what you have to do next is you have to copy the ringtone music files or ringtones, whatever you want to set as the ringtone, into this folder. So I've downloaded this one. I just this one, selected this one and copy that and then paste that to the newly created ringtone folder. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Just pasted it. Now go back to settings. Again search for ringtone, phone ringtone. Look, here it is. This is super easy as I told before, so that you can change to any ringtone as you wish, like this method. Hope that you like this. Please like and share this video.